Hello my dear friends, my name is Slav and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you another adventure, another underwater adventure. I know almost for sure that many years ago into that lake a huge airplane has fallen down. And if it's true, this plane still should be under the water. And today me and the team of divers, scuba divers, going down to find out if it's true or false. So, our diving has started and we have to discover all this huge area. And there is a problem. It's a lake and the water temperature here is about 10 degrees Celsius. But if you go deeper, the temperature decreases. So we've started to explore everything. We have to search everywhere. There were underwater deserts. And there were strange buildings, like that one. I totally have no idea what these gates are doing under the water. If they were built for a long time ago, before this lake was a lake, maybe it just was a regular area, a regular field. I don't know what was that, but there is a very strange building. But we have to keep diving. We have to go deeper and deeper because we thought that the plane is located in the middle of there, maybe on the depths around 25-30 meters underwater. And there is another problem. The temperature there is about 6 degrees Celsius and this is super cold. We've been exploring and exploring everywhere, and this was difficult, this was hard because of the temperature, because of the tough conditions, and we were only 4 people, but we have to stick together by pairs because you cannot dive alone, it's very dangerous. After searching everywhere, I found another strange thing. It's like an old audio disc player with the discs. And why is it there? I wanted to discover this thing. I was interacting with this audio player, but a friend of mine caught me and called. He saw something. That's a giant plane! We found it! It was right there! All of us were right! All this is true! So we are so happy! After surfing a little bit around that plane, I found an interesting thing. I understood that this audio player has fallen out of this plane, I think. That's why this thing is under the water, because this plane is kind of old. So maybe in past these audio players were used, still were used. I decided to look at front part of the plane. We all were exploring that plane, looking around, but then I decided to go into the cabin because there was no roof. And I saw that scary thing. I think this is bones, obviously, and these bones belong to the pilot, I think. Of course, he didn't survive that fall because this plane at the depth of 30 meters, there is a crazy temperature, and of course when the plane falling, he strikes and gets a lot of damage. So I think, unfortunately, the person didn't survive. So everybody saw that body, and we decided to continue our mission. We didn't have enough time because, you know, we are limited by the air balloon on our backs. So we have to hurry up. After our time has finished, we decided to leave that area. We were going up by the mountain form because of the form of that coast. It looks like a hole. Maybe it's a meteorite hole. I don't know. It's very big and looks like a triangle. So we have to keep going and continue our diving. After all safety stops, we finally got up and we can breathe the air. We were all happy and everything was alright, and now we know the exact location of that plane. And we know that all these stories are true. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Can you leave a like, please? Leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate your help very much. So please, if you want more videos like this, write about it and I will make for you more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.